5 simple ways to make your hands look younger. Our hands suffer from the loss of elasticity and aging. It happens because they are exposed to photoaging and to the daily aggression, like using dish soap, and frequently washing your hands. These two things, together, can affect your skin. The most common harms are wrinkles, reduction in the thickness of the skin, and sunspots. Did you know that most people don't do anything to slow down this process? Most people don't take care of their hands with the same attention they have to their faces. So, if you wish to lessen the appearance of old hands, you can use these simple and efficient homemade medicines. Here are the main 5 homemade solutions for wrinkly hands. 1. Lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is very efficient to treat wrinkles. Its high levels of antioxidants protect the skin from the harmful free radicals, and also from UV radiation. 2. Ripe banana. A ripe banana is an amazing thing for wrinkly hands, thanks to its moisturizing properties. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E, iron, magnesium, zinc, and potassium, it helps with the rejuvenation of the skin, and also fights wrinkles. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is also very efficient to treat wrinkles. It has moisturizing agents that help retain the water on skin, and also prevent the signals of premature aging, like wrinkles. 4. Avocado. Another fruit that can keep your hands soft and wrinkle-free is avocado. Avocado is rich in antioxidants, and also has powerful anti-aging properties that can undo your wrinkles and keep your hands soft. It also improves collagen production, which will keep your skin tight and elastic. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil has many culinary uses, but this healthy fat can also keep your hands very soft and free of wrinkles. It nourishes the skin, and its high levels of vitamin E, together with the essential fats, will stimulate collagen production and reduce wrinkles.